Have you ever wondered if animals dream just like us? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, the answer is yes, animals do dream. And this isn't just a whimsical notion or a fanciful guess, it's a fact backed by scientific research. You might be wondering how scientists can be so sure about something as elusive as dreams. The answer lies in the observation of a particular phase of sleep known as REM, or rapid eye movement sleep. During this stage, both humans and animals exhibit quick, random movements of the eyes along with a temporary paralysis of the body's muscles. It's during REM sleep that dreams are most likely to occur. Now, imagine a rat running a maze. Scientists have discovered that when these rats enter REM sleep, their brains produce the same patterns as when they were awake and running the maze. This suggests that they are likely dreaming of the maze. Isn't that fascinating? In the case of dogs, you might have noticed your pet twitching, whimpering, or moving their paws as if running while they're asleep. This is because dogs, much like humans, go through stages of REM sleep. These movements could very well be your pet acting out their dreams. But why is this important? Why should we care whether animals dream or not? Well, it's about more than just curiosity. Understanding that animals dream allows us to relate to them on a deeper level. It reminds us that, despite our differences, there are aspects of life and experience that we share. That animals too have complex inner lives full of experiences that they may revisit in their dreams. So the next time you see your pet twitching in their sleep, they might just be in the middle of a fascinating dream. This unseen world of animals is a testament to the shared experiences of life on this planet, a reminder of the profound interconnectedness of all living beings. So let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the animal kingdom. Did you know some animals have abilities that could put any superhero to shame? Take, for instance, the mantis shrimp, a creature that packs a punch. Quite literally, this tiny crustacean with its vibrant colors is capable of throwing a punch with the speed of a bullet. That's right, its claw accelerates at over 50 miles per hour, creating a shockwave that can stun, dismember, or even kill its prey. What's more fascinating is its ability to see a spectrum of light that is invisible to us, humans, which it uses to communicate and find prey in the murky depths of the ocean. Then there's the immortal jellyfish, a creature that seems to have found the secret to eternal youth. When threatened, injured, or simply because it feels like it, this jellyfish can revert to its juvenile polyp state and start its life cycle anew. Imagine being able to rewind your life and start over again. Wouldn't that be something? Or consider the lyrebird, a master mimic of the animal kingdom. This bird can mimic the calls of over 20 different species of birds in its territory, and if that's not impressive enough, it can also mimic man-made sounds like car alarms, chainsaws, camera shutters, and even the human voice. This incredible auditory mimicry is used by male lyrebirds to attract females. And let's not forget the dung beetles. While their diet might not be appealing, their navigation skills are remarkable. They use the Milky Way to navigate, making them the only known non-human animal to use the galaxy for direction. These are just a few examples among the thousands of animals with extraordinary abilities living amongst us. Each one has unique skills honed by millions of years of evolution, perfectly suited for their environment and lifestyle. Now, wouldn't it be amazing if we could borrow some of these abilities for a day? Have you ever seen an animal display an emotion that made you think they're just like us? Well, you're not alone in that thought. There's a growing body of scientific evidence that supports the idea that animals have rich emotional lives, just like we do. They can feel joy, grief, empathy, and even love. Take elephants, for instance. These majestic creatures are known for their deep familial bonds and complex social structures. When a member of the herd passes away, elephants have been observed to mourn their loss. They'll stay by the body, gently touching it with their trunks, standing vigil for days. It's a display of grief that's profoundly human-like. Then there's the case of Coco, the gorilla who was taught sign language. Coco formed a bond with a kitten she named All Ball. When All Ball tragically died, Coco expressed her sadness through sign language. She signed words like bad and sad, showing a clear understanding and experience of grief. Joy is another emotion animals certainly experience. Have you seen a dog bounding happily after a ball, or a dolphin leaping in the ocean waves? These are clear displays of joy, of animals reveling in the sheer delight of being alive. Even empathy, a trait we often consider uniquely human, has been observed in animals. Rats, for instance, have been shown in studies to display empathy towards their fellow rats. In one experiment, rats were more likely to free a trapped companion than to go for a piece of chocolate, showing a clear preference for helping others. And love? Yes, animals feel that too. Swans mate for life, forming deep enduring bonds with their partners. They are a symbol of love in many cultures, and for good reason. So the next time you see an animal, remember they might be feeling just as happy, sad, or excited as you are. What if I told you that animals have their own languages, each as complex and intricate as our own? It might seem like a far-fetched idea, but it's true. Animals, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, communicate using a variety of signals and behaviors, creating a symphony of interactions that we're just beginning to understand. Take bees, for instance. Those buzzing little creatures have a form of communication so complex, it's often referred to as the dance language. When a worker bee discovers a new source of food, it doesn't just return to the hive and buzz about it. It performs a specific dance, a series of movements that encode the location and distance of the food source. It's a dance that's as much a language as any human tongue. Then there are dolphins, those playful denizens of the deep. Dolphins have a vast repertoire of clicks, whistles, and body movements that they use to convey a dizzying array of messages. Studies have shown that they even have signature whistles, unique to each individual, much like our own names. This sophisticated system of communication is crucial for their survival, allowing them to coordinate hunting, warn of danger, and strengthen social bonds. And it's not just bees and dolphins. Elephants communicate using low-frequency rumbles that can travel for miles. Birds use song to mark territory and attract mates. Even ants use chemical signals to guide each other to food sources. These communication systems are more than just a collection of sounds or movements. They're languages, intricate and complex, vital for survival and social interaction. They reveal an unseen world, a world where animals are not just instinct-driven creatures, but sentient beings capable of expressing themselves in ways we're only just beginning to comprehend. So while we might not understand them, animals are having conversations all around us every day. Each chirp, buzz, and whistle is a word, a sentence, a story told in a language that's as beautiful and complex as our own. And as we continue to study and learn, who knows what fascinating conversations we'll uncover next? Isn't the world of animals fascinating and full of surprises? We've unveiled the shroud of mystery that surrounds the lives of our fellow beings and delved into the deep corners of the animal kingdom. We've unraveled the unseen world, the hidden abilities, the emotional lives, and the intricate language of animals. Remember the peculiar vision of mantis shrimps, those vibrant creatures that see a spectrum of colors beyond our comprehension. How about the extraordinary abilities of animals like the lyrebird, which can mimic almost any sound it hears? Isn't it astounding to think about the complex lives they lead? We've also navigated through the emotional lives of our animal friends. Elephants, known for their incredible memory, mourn their deceased and display profound familial bonds. And who could forget the heartwarming story of Hachiko, the dog who waited for his master every day at the station, even years after his master's passing? These tales remind us that emotions aren't exclusive to humans, and the language of animals, a realm so intricate and vast it puts our human languages to shame. From the complex dance language of bees to the melodious songs of whales, each species has its unique dialect, its unique way of communicating. So, let's not forget that we share this planet with millions of other species, each with its own unique story, each a vital part of the intricate web of life. Let's strive to understand them better, to appreciate their beauty, and to coexist harmoniously. If you found these facts as fascinating as I do, make sure to subscribe, share, and like for more such interesting videos. There's a whole world of animals out there, brimming with secrets and wonders, waiting for us to understand and appreciate. With every video, we'll dive deeper, explore further, and bring you closer to this fascinating world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Remember, curiosity didn't kill the cat, it just made it smarter.